We made koji butter, koji oil and koji salt in the last video. Now it's time to use them. Today I'm going to be making a croque monsieur, featuring a bechamel sauce seasoned with our homemade koji salt and koji butter. Let's see how good it gets. Let's start by making our bechamel sauce. We'll melt 40 grams of homemade koji butter in a pan, then add 40 grams of plain flour. Turn up the heat and whisk them together until you get a smooth, thick paste. Once the butter is melted, start adding your milk slowly. Whisking consistently to ensure that there are no lumps. You want to keep whisking until the sauce thickens up nicely. For that extra depth of flavour, stir in a pinch of nutmeg and a generous pinch of our koji salt. Let it cook off for another 3 to 4 minutes to let those flavours meld together. That's your base ready to go, and then you can move on to assembling your croque monsieur. First, let's put our grill on, as we'll need that high heat for that final step. Take your bread. Today I'm using 2 slices of sourdough, though any firm bread works well. Butter one side of each of the slice. This is what creates that beautiful crispy outer layer. On the unbuttered side of the bottom slice, spread a thin layer of Dijon mustard. Now let's build the sandwich. Spoon a generous amount of our koji bechamel over the mustard, followed by a layer of grated Gruyere or Comte cheese. And we finish with thin slices of ham on top. Put the second slice of bread, butter side facing up. Next, heat a frying pan and add a small amount of koji oil or koji butter. Place the sandwich in the pan and lightly brown both sides. This toasts the bread and starts melting the cheese inside. Once both sides of your bread are golden, add another layer of bechamel sauce and a generous pile of your grated cheese on top. Slide the whole thing under the grill to melt the cheese. You're done once the top has turned a beautiful light golden brown in colour. And there you have it, the ultimate Koji Croque Monsieur. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you check out the video right here where I made the koji butter, koji oil and koji salt. That's what makes this dish so special. If you enjoyed the series so far, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next video in the series. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.